Hey y'all!
What's good, YouTube? Before we start this video,
Don't interrupt.
nah,
me.
you that guy bring that energy. So look, before we start this video now, before we get this holiday cheers on, you know what I'm saying, with the the mouse scurrying and the Santa Claus come down the chimney type stuff. Anyway, we would like y'all to hit that like button, hit that so like, comment, subscribe, yes, that.
Like, comment, subscribe.
And hit that notification bell button.
Ding. Wherever we're gonna put
I'm
it
acting a little
somewhere.
extra. But yeah, hit that notification bell button so you won't miss an upload. I like how you took the camera off me.
Anyway, go back.
So yeah, make sure you hit that notification bell button so y'all won't miss a video. Today, we are opening up a Christmas tree. Yes, sir. So yeah, no Christmas tree. Getting in the holiday spirit.
Yes, sir.
We're supposed to start it after Thanksgiving, but
Life. We was moving into a house.
yeah.
Things got hectic.
Yeah.
Kind of hard to do all at once. Let me just see what it look like with this on.
Like the lighting in here, did you?
That's better, babe. You was not liking it. I was following your word.
So
Anyway.
yeah. Also, we got a photo shoot coming up next week. So we'll reveal that to y'all maybe around Christmas Eve. Yeah. So that's what we're doing today, man. You know, getting a holiday cheer. Cutting this
So
Christmas tree.
first, I want to say we having a Christmas tree right here in front of this big old pretty window, so everybody can see it when they drive by. So we gotta move that table out the way.
Not right now, cause we still gotta put it together.
I want to do YouTube magic.
Huh?
I want to do YouTube magic. And
voila!
all right.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and open the box up.
Yep.
And this is a how tall this is?
7.5 foot Christmas tree.
Yeah, 7.5 foot Christmas tree, man.
Hallelujah.
Just rip the box off.
Yeah, I ain't gonna do that. Boom, we got it up, cut.
Alright, so I'm gonna post this up and we're gonna speed through this part a little bit and we're gonna let y'all watch us do this, okay?
Really quickly.
No, we're not done.
Are we not done?
We gotta fluff all this out.
I mean, that's basic finish.
I mean, because everything was done, we didn't have to attach the hooks onto them. They did it for us. Merry Christmas, baby.
We can't add that part in.
Yes, I can.
We don't own this music video.
You probably don't.
Well, it's probably not. You. Oh, she chewing on her mommy's phone. So yeah, this is what we got so far. I got my ice cream melting, so I gotta get back to that. Now we are back. She got finished. She did it by herself. I had to take an ice cream break. But as she got right here, she doing a real good job. I taught her very well.
You
didn't
ain't
I?
teach me nothing.
I taught you a lot. Thank you.
Saying what? Okay. now you scared. You about to get eaten by that box.
But
Here, come on. Come on. Why is your pant leg like that? We're gonna work hard. We're gonna work hard to give this little girl, and if she has siblings, the best possible childhood ever. Because after that, it's grown life. It's on them to continue what they were taught.
yeah.
Remember, always having a Christmas tree. Always waking up early in the morning on Christmas Day to open presents around 12 o'clock. Then going back to sleep and open up the rest. And then eating. So we're going to try to carry that on with this little one.
Yep.
So, yeah.
And check out my slippers. They got some too. She got a pair too. Yeah, hers over there. Here's her right here. And hers
Over there.
somewhere.
They're on the floor.
They on the floor.
Yeah. So, I'm going to keep fluffing this tree, and we'll show y'all what it looks like when it's this part is complete. Then we're going to decorate. We'll come back and show y'all that too. So, yeah.
So what we got going on now? What we got going on?
So we trying to see if these lights still work, because I'm not gonna put them all on there just for them not to work. So we're going through our old Christmas decorations from last year, because we're trying to save some money, because this tree was not cheap. I think we are gonna have to go buy a new bow, a bigger one, and some bigger ornaments, because the ones we have are very small, and some more garland. Just because, look at this tree. She needs some hefty things. Yeah, she only gonna come out, you know, once a year, but yeah, she gonna take up a big portion of the living room for like a good 4 weeks or 3 weeks. In this case, probably like 2 or 3.
Yeah. I mean, that socket over there don't work. Yeah.
I know, but I'm just trying to see if it magically started working.
No, I tried today.
Oh, okay. We're gonna have to get the electrician with this.
But yeah, we ain't took ours down to like around February.
Mhm. Yep, I think it was around February.
Mhm. What's up, Willow? Willow. Say hey. We're gonna be famous. We need to put like a beauty pageant or something.
Yeah. All of them are working. Yay! Can you see my stomach?
No.
Okay.
I have to raise it up for you if you want me to see it.
I said no thank you. I said no thank you. I said no thank you! Okay.
But they work, so that's the one we're going with.
Yep.
All right then.
Or did you want multicolored ones?
No, we'll stick with those right there.
We're gonna have to get an extension cord. Okay, run into a dilemma. We still have a whole another 2 feet of tree left. And this is where the lights stop. So, we're gonna have to do a Walmart run to go get some more lights, which I didn't want to have to do. But we did have a very small Christmas tree compared to this one. This one's very big. Like, it's literally almost touching the ceiling. So, yes. Yeah, that's a lot more. And then they're kind of spaced out too, so. And I don't like that. I want a lot of lights on this tree. Yep. So while we're there, I'm gonna let him get me a bigger bow, because this one is just not worth it. I'm gonna use it for something else. And we need some better bulbs. Here's our skirt. Here go the skirt wheel. But yeah, we're gonna go make a store run, get the rest of our stuff, and we'll come back and then finish what we're doing. Look at that baby there. Next to the big sister over there. Will took her back from me. It's alright. But this was my early Christmas gift. Wait, do it again. We're doing a thumbnail, y'all. Yes, y'all, this is what he got me for Christmas. I got it. And yeah, here it goes. And I'm gonna insert that. But yeah, ooh, it's bird poop on my car. Anyways, so yeah, we're finna go to Walmart
Check out the spokes right here, cuz. You just got the black spokes right here. Look at that. Yay.
Yes, sir. But we're about to go to Walmart. And we'll see y'all maybe in the store. I don't know. Are we going to record in the store? No? Okay. We'll see y'all afterwards. So, yeah.
So you recording now?
Yep.
Willow, you excited about the tree? Deedee ain't no good teammate. I want to see this the first time.
Are you
Look.
really serious?
No, I'm not serious.
I'm not using
We can go outside and see how it look. Look from the outside. Yep.
Yeah, like my thing.
It's
It's
a Wraith?
nighttime. Reef.
Wraith. Okay, hop in the Wraith. We back, Willow.
As I can see, any balls past this point, because we don't want her to potentially snatch them off. Because she already like them because they're shiny.
Yeah.
So we try to keep them at a good little height. Hopefully they'll keep her from snatching them off. We gotta add our skirt, and I gotta finish putting the stockings up. Here's what we got. This is Willow's. This is Will's, mine's. And Willow go in between us. So yeah.
So, I think that's it for tonight's video. I hope this put y'all in the holiday spirit. Just trying to spread positivity around the world. I hope y'all really watching this. You know, not a lot of families out here doing this, you know. So, you guys say, Mom?
It's just, we got a lot in store for y'all. We just
Yes, we do.
so excited.
And please, y'all watch the videos all the way through. Watch all the way through. Y'all be missing out some good stuff, man. I'm trying to tell you. For the one that are watching all the way through, appreciate y'all. Thank y'all very much.
And remember, guys, we would love it if you guys would like, comment, subscribe, and share our videos to everybody. Especially around these times, everybody needs a little joy, and that's what we're trying to bring.
Holiday spirit. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So please remember to do those things and just help us out so we can grow and keep making content and sharing our part of life with y'all. But that's it for this video. My name is Deedee.
And my name is Will behind the camera.
This is our baby Willow.
Willow. Say hey, Willow. All right. And we are the Two Son family, and we'll see y'all in the next video.